Hi everyone. Today we shall discuss about one of the best poem from a romantic period, that is Ode to Nightingale, written by John Keats. So John Keats, he was as you all know, he comes in a romantic period. He was one of the prominent writers in romantic period. He has written many more odes, poems, lyrical poems, etc. First of all, when we come to Ode to Nightingale, we should know what is an ode. An ode is a long lyrical poem which is focused on a particular subject, and it is focused on a particular object. If you come to Ode to a Nightingale, first of all, we should look into the background of the writer, and we should analyze the emotional conditions of the particular writer. You see, Ode to Nightingale, it was written by John Keats. John Keats, at this time, he was in a deep agony, deep depression, deep suppression because of his brother's death due to a disease called palsy. Disease called palsy, Palsy, palsy disease at that time. So he was in a deep agony, and he writes this particular poem, and he used to exhibit his deep feelings, deep agony, depression of his own. First of all, we should know that he died at the young age, and his parents died at early age, and he was in a deep depression. Okay, yes. Next to that, we shall start up that particular poem. His parents died at young age. Brother Tom died of tuberculosis. John Keats later fell in love with Fanny Bronte. His love interest was of Fanny Bronte, but he could not succeed in that. And she left him because of John Keats' illness. He died at the age of 25. Okay. Next to that, when we come to the poem is very beautiful poem. It has its depth meaning. It has 8 stanzas, lengthy poem. 8 stanzas, a lengthy poem. And let me start the poem and read line by line, and go to the textbook, go through the lines. Keep textbook in front of you and go through the lines. Let me read it once. Yes, sir. My heart aches, and a drowsy numbness pains my sense, as though of hemlock I had drunk. In the first 2 lines beginning of the poem, he says, my heart aches. His heart is aching, his heart is paining. His heart is paining, and he is something feeling like a drowsy numbness which is paining inside his heart. My sense, as though of hemlock I had drunk. As if he had drunk hemlock. Hemlock means it was a type of poison which was given to Socrates to kill him. Something like he was in a pain, he was in a drowsiness, he was in a pain, and something he feeling like he would going to be die. Okay, in the first 2 lines you should understand that his heart is aching, he is in drowsiness, he is in pain, his senses are telling him that as if he had drunk the hemlock. Do you understand? Hemlock means it's a poison which is given to Socrates. Yes, sir. Next to that, next 2 lines you see, or emptied some dull opiate to the drains, 1 minute pass, and Lethe wards had sunk. Next lines he says that he had emptied some opiate. The word opiate here, opiate, opium, okay, that he had taken some opium, as if he had taken some opium, and 1 minute passed. He had drunk the Lethe ward sunk. Lethe ward, Lethe means Lethe. Lethe means it's a river. It's a river in Greek mythology. And if you sunk in that, all your memories will destroy, and you will come to complete what do you call that? Happiness. You will forget everything. You will forget the pains. You will forget the pleasures of your past life. That is what he had sunk into a Lethe river, as if he feels that he had sunk into a Lethe river. Okay. Next to that, you see, this not through envy of thy happiness a lot. Next lines, till now he did not say anything about Nightingale. Now in these lines he is going to tell about the Nightingale. This not through envy of thy happy lot. This is not, I am not going to envy you through your happiness, because I don't have any happiness, but you are having happiness, you are in joy, you are in blissful mood, that and I am not going to complain anything about your happiness. That is my dismay, my regrets, my pains, my agony, my depression. But being too happy in thine happiness, I wanted to be happy with your happiness. That is your, he quotes Nightingale. Nightingale, he quotes now, he tells about the Nightingale in these lines, not in the first lines. He tells about the Nightingale in these lines, that he wanted to be happy with Nightingale and its song in these lines. That's what Nightingale is singing, far away from meadows, far away from the trees, far away from the mountains. He is going to listen to that Nightingale song, and now he wanted to be happy. He wanted to be with Nightingale now. He wanted to be with Nightingale now, and just he wanted to share its happiness with him. And because he is very much depressed, he is very much in a deep sadness because of his brother's death due to palsy disease. Okay. Yes, next to that, you see, next lines. Here speaker is addressing to Nightingale. Though that light-winged dryad of the trees in some melodious plot of beech and green and shadows numberless of summer full-throated ease, singest of summer in full-throated ease. That's what he is addressing to the Nightingale. What it is doing, Nightingale now, it is doing, yes, it is singing in full-throated ease. Completely it is singing with full throttle. Completely it is singing with a joy, singing with happiness. That is what he says. Lighted winged dryad. Lighted winged dryad. Dryad means, it's a dryad is a nymph. Nymph in Greek mythology. Yes, it's a light winged dryad, and it is singing happily, joyously, blissfully in beech and green and shadows of numberless, and singest of the summer. It is singing in summer, full-throatedly, with ease, with pleasurely, with happily, with leisurely, pleasurely. It is singing, and yes, that is what he is. He wanted to join with that particular Nightingale in that particular occasion, because he is very much unhappy now. He wanted happiness with the Nightingale. Yes, next to that, oh, for a draught of vintage, what he wanted to do next, you see, he wanted to drink some vintage. Vintage means wine. Vintage means drinks. He wanted to drink some wine. He wanted to drink some wine because he wanted to get rid of all the agony, all the depression, all the suppression. Okay. Yes, that is what he wanted to drink, that particular wine. As you all know, he is suffering from depression. He is suffering from suppression due to his brother's death. Oh, draught of vintage that hath been cooled long age in the deep dwelled earth. That vintage, that wine he wanted to get from the deep cooled earth which was kept inside the earth, and it what he wanted to drink it, that particularly blended wine, since something like many years it should be cooled in a particularly uh, cooled long aged in deep dwelled earth. That sort of wine he wanted to drink in order to get rid of this particular tension, particular, what do you call that, pain. Yes, sir. The speaker next says that fasting of flora and country green dance, provincial song and sunburn mirth. Yes, he wanted to taste the flora of the country green. Flora means the flowers, green trees, meadows, etc. He wanted to taste it, he wanted to see it, he wanted to enjoy it. Yes, and he wanted to dance, he wanted to dance for a provincial song. Yes, next to that, of for a beaker full of warm south. What he wanted to get? He wanted to get a beaker full of warm from the south. Beaker means it's a bottling. It's a bottling. Full bottle of wine he wanted to get from the south side. South side. Full of true. That should be blushful hypocrine. That should be true. That should give him pleasure, give him pain. Sorry, give him pleasure. He wanted to get rid of the pain. That should be blushful. Blushful means colorful. Hypocrine. Hypocrine means fountain of muses. That should come from the fountains. That should come from the fountains. Next to that, with beaded bubbles, he used to drink that in that particular vision, in that memory. He wanted to drink that with a beaded bubbles, winking at the brim, and purple stained mouth. When he drinks that drink, when he drinks that particular vintage means wine, his mouth will be colored, his mouth will be turned into purple color after drinking that. You see how his imagination is. That I might drink, he says that I should drink, I might drink, ಆ ಥರದ್ದೊಂದು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ because in order to get rid of all the pains of this world in this particular domestic life, I am getting so many pains, so that I should get rid of that pain and I should drink that particular wine, vintage. Yes, that I might drink and leave the world unseen, you see. And he should leave the world unseen. He should forget the world. He should leave the world unseen. And with thee fade away into the forest dim. And with thee, he says. Thee means with you. Who is you here? You is nightingale. With thee, with nightingale, he wanted to fade away into the forest dim, into the dark lovely woods, dark lovely forest. He wanted to fade away with the nightingale now, because he wanted to get rid of the pain of the particular death of his brother and other deaths due to the disease palsy. Okay, next to that, where palsy shakes, you see, next line, he says that palsy disease he mentions in that particular poem. Yes, where palsy shakes a few sad last grey hairs. Palsy is shaking the people around him. It is shaking the people, and there you can see the sad last grey hairs, the old aged people you can see. And where youth grows pale and spectre thin and dies. The youth is going pale, dull. The youth is not at all energetic and young. They are going very pale. They are growing very pale, and definitely they are thin and going to die by the disease palsy. You see, he is also suffering from the condition of that particular society. Yes, and the society is attacked by palsy disease at that time, and there he was completely struck by that pain. That's why he wanted to enjoy the life with the nightingale and with the vintage, with the drinks. He wanted to get more pleasure. Okay, palsy. Next to that, where but to think is to be full of sorrow and leaden I despair. You see, everywhere he can find the sorrow, full of sorrow he depicts. He says, full of sorrow and leaden eyes despair. The eyes are coming to a despair. That means the eyes are not at all holding its sparkness, its glowness. Nobody is having youth, everybody are pale, everybody are dull. Okay, where but to think is to be full of sorrow, where beauty cannot keep her lustrous eye. Beauty cannot keep her lustrous eye. That's what here lustrous eye refers to his love, Fanny Brownie. Okay, or new love pine at them beyond tomorrow. He could not love her, and she too could not love him. Away, away, for I fly to thee. Away, away, for I will fly to thee. ದೂರ ದೂರ ನಿನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹಾರಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. That means I will come to thee, come to you. You is nightingale. Okay, not charioted by Bacchus and his parts. How I should fly? I will not fly with the Bacchus. Bacchus means Bacchus. That means it's a let me tell you 1 minute. Yes, it's a chariot, god of wine. God of wine will not take me to you, but I only come to you. Bacchus means here it's a god of wine it is. Yes, and Bacchus, the Greek god of wine. But on the viewless wings of poesy, you see the very important line, I will not come to thee, I will not come to you by the chariot of Bacchus, or else by the chariot of Greek wine god, but I will come to you by the wings of viewless poesy. Wings of viewless poesy means poetry. I will come to you by the poetry itself. In poetry, through poetry, I will come to you, and I will come and meet you through my poetry. Yes, though the dull brain perplexes and retards. You see, the dull brain, my brain is very dull, and my brain has become dull because of this haplessness. Yes, because of this pain, because of this palsy, disease, and my brain is not supporting me to come to you, because I could not just write a poetry. I could not come through poetry. He says, first I will come through poetry to you, but now my brain is not supporting me. It is not supporting me to come to you. Okay, next to that, you see, and now next lines he says that already with thee, already with thee, already with you, I am already with you. That is, he is already with the nightingale. The tender is night, the tender is night.